Okay guys, within the last 24 hours, Bitcoin has been pumping like crazy, and I can already tell you guys we are at the most important price level that we already discussed and talked about yesterday, the $21,300 price level. Because as you guys know, not only our monthly resistance is coming in at this price level right now, no, also on the smaller time frames, looking here at the daily, we have a very, very clear horizontal support and resistance area here on the daily time frame that Bitcoin just started to approach or get into. Keep in mind guys, on the monthly time frame, we are still below this very important resistance, and on the weekly time frame, I mean, we have the exact same scenario. We can close this weekly candle potentially bullish above the $21,100 level, above our old weekly closes and openings, or we can get sold off back below the $20,300 level, so exactly $1,000 down from now. And in this case guys, I can already tell you we would close our weekly candle below the past weekly candles. We would form a bearish hammerhead candle in the combination of getting rejected on the monthly time frame of resistance. I mean, this would definitely not be looking good. But now let's jump on the smaller time frames to find out how realistic it is that we will actually see a continuation to the upside, and especially how realistic is it that we won't crash down to the $20,300 level within the next 38 hours after we have seen this massive aggressive pump, where now daily RSI, 4-hourly RSI still is very, very exhausted, and we now even saw a bigger amount of short liquidations that the last time we saw it was always a sign that the top might be in very, very soon for now, the local top. And we were keeping an eye at the top. When you remember the rising wedge, we were keeping an eye on bearish chart patterns. And this is what we are doing now as well, because as you know, since a couple of days, I am already in my swing long position. We closed our short positions. Everything is closed now. We are only remaining in our 2 swing long positions. This is one of them. And I'm definitely ready to scale these trades up. They are very, very small, as you can see. And this is for a reason. This is not because I am just saying, okay, I don't want to have any big trades open right now. It's because I don't think it is the time. Because, guys, let's take a look. I mean, we can for sure have swing long positions open. The bottom was maybe already in, or we are very, very close. That's why, guys, my swing long positions, I have them open since weeks. I will not close them out. They have a very small leverage, 3x. They can have the liquidation price below the $14,000 without any problem. So this is the only thing that I want to make sure about right now. I don't want to get liquidated with my swing long positions. This is number one priority, because other than that, we have seen a massive, massive pump. And after such a crazy volatility, we cannot expect to read the chart perfectly. I mean, we are seeing a rising broadening wedge here on the 1-hourly time frame. And I mean, if this breaks to the downside with the combination of us breaking below here our daily support area, so us falling below the $21,100 level, I mean, this clearly would be the first bearish sign, especially now after the bulls pretty much used all their power, all their steam to see this massive pump, almost $2,000, almost a 10% pump in a very short amount of time. And we saw that, or over 10% in a very short amount of time, I'm just realizing. But what is actually happening here is that the bulls already now used all their steam, all their power, and we still have 38 hours, 37 hours remaining with the current weekly candle. So the bulls need to make sure that they are not running out of steam now. They need to hold these price levels here, so we have a bullish weekly candle close. And if they don't manage to do that, and we get sold back to the 20,200, 20,300. We close our weekly candle in 37 hours below our old weekly candle closes and openings. I mean, guys, things would definitely not be looking all too good. By the way, as always, I would really appreciate it if you could smash up a like here on today's video. My last video actually reached 1,000 thumbs up, which is really amazing. Please make sure to also leave a comment down below. This pushes your YouTube algorithm, shows everyone that this content is relevant right now. And thank you very much for subscribing, activating the bell so you don't miss out on any future updates. But for now, I really have to say, after this aggressive pump, the only thing I'm keeping an eye on is really what's going to happen within the next 38 hours. And I will upload you a video tomorrow for sure, and will update you on how everything is looking and what is the more likely scenario. For now, the only thing we can do is pretty much keep an eye on the $21,100 to $21,200 level. If we break that to the downside, I mean, okay guys, be prepared for some more downside this month in total, especially if we are not able to bounce then off the $20,000 level tomorrow, especially if we close the weekly candle then below the $20,300 level. So be prepared for that. Besides that, guys, you can as always sign up on BitGet and Phemex with my affiliate links. You support me by that. You get up to $4,000 on each exchange plus 15% reduced fees on BitGet, guys, with my link by supporting me. Thank you very much for that. So you're only having benefits. And on top of that, after you registered yourself with BitGet or on Phemex with one of my links, go to cryptomode.io and join our completely free community. Just watch this video, how to join for free, and you will have access to our completely free Discord, guys. I'm sadly not in the right channel right now, but here you go. You have access to our completely free Discord. There is daily market updates, trading view tutorials, and all kinds of things. Sadly, now the channels are here not loading properly for some reason. Now it's maybe loading. Yeah, whatever. You get the thrill of it. We have our Discord community. You can share trades. You can share charts with others. So make sure you make use of it. It's completely free for every single one of you out there that is supporting me actively. But now, guys, we are going to see us in the next video. Till then, bye.